Cesario barefoot contest past the begin down inside is Lawerta, Pasenciosa, Lakay, Gavis Choice, Luna Rosa, Ibox, and Olajuwon is the trailer. We have Lawerta goes on by about 3 lengths. Barefoot contest in second, Lakay in third, alongside fourth is Pasenciosa, Gavis Choice down inside, Pippen in sixth, Luna Rosa, Ibox second last, and Olajuwon still racing in last. Meanwhile, it's still Lawerta by about 4 lengths. Barefoot contest still in second. Lakay rushing up now is Pasenciosa, and in fifth now is Gavis Choice. Luna Rosa, Ibox is down on the inside, and Olajuwon still racing in last. And it's still Lawerta followed by Lakay, Pasenciosa now moving up. Ibox is running by Drell. Gavis Choice now racing in fifth. Ibox takes the lead down on the inside. Now is Gavis Choice to take second. Lawerta drives back in third. Ibox by overlaying getting up. Gavis Choice is down on the inside as they come down to the last 150. Ibox, Gavis Choice is running by Drell. Ibox, Gavis Choice is running by Drell. Ibox, Gavis Choice is down on the inside. Gavis Choice, Ibox is on the outside. Ibox, Gavis Choice, entering the finish line. It's Ibox, Gavis Choice, Luna Rosa. Then comes number 2, Lawerta barefoot contest.